Hello everyone, my name is Andy Wu. I'm a business coach and trainer. I've been doing business since the age of 5. I'm trained as an accountant. I've been working for more than 30 years in training, consulting, sales. In the year 2009, I stumbled upon TZU Art Award in an old shop in Chinatown. I bought the bamboo strip book, the one that you saw in the first slide. And since then, I've been teaching TZU Art Award in more than 6 countries. I consider myself a Santu practitioner because every day I practice Santu art of war. For example, this morning I practiced the concept of planning instead of just acting. Somebody scolded me on Facebook. Instead of scolding him back, I actually planned what to say, and that actually I turned him from an enemy to a friend. So in this course, you are not just learning about Santu or war, but you're also learning about sales. So there are actually 2 courses in one. So these are the contents we're going to cover. And let me assure you that I will make the Santu or war very simple, and there will be lots of applications along the way. The key thing is that I want to turn all of you from warriors to not just strategists, but also a realist. Because warriors fight too hard and they hardly win. Strategists plan too much and they hardly act. And realists are people like Santu. They actually plan first, and when they act, they use lots of stratagems in a way that they can win without fighting. Because people say, why must we win? Actually, winning is not everything. Winning is the only thing. But you need to define what winning is in your sales. And also, what does winning mean for your customers? Google in the year 2000 replaced Yahoo as the #1 search engine in the world by using this strategy of Tao. Yahoo used many contractors for its search engine, and Google was just one of them. And Google proposed to Yahoo, said that, why not you sub the whole thing to us and we will not compete with your business? Because Yahoo was very concerned that Google will compete with this portal business. Yahoo said that our search engine is very simple. It's just a plain search engine with search bar and nothing else. And that's how Google won over Yahoo, and Yahoo appointed Google as the sole contractor. From there onwards, Google tell the whole world, we are the #1 search engine in the world because they are the #1 contractor for the #1 search engine, Yahoo, at that time. So this strategy is called Tao. Google used Tao and won over Yahoo and the whole market. Costco is another interesting example. This huge supermarket just opened in Shanghai in the year 2009 and won huge success. People say, how can Walmart, Kmart fail in China and yet Costco can win? Because Costco has been using this strategy called spy strategy. Costco has been spying China for more than 4 years. And how Huawei won the 5G war? Everybody said that, Huawei won because they have superior technology. But let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, Huawei throughout the whole organization used a lot of fire strategy by Sanju. They attacked by fire. That doesn't mean Huawei burned its competitors. Huawei actually ignite the fire within the staff. All the staff are so motivated, they won for Huawei. And my client, who was actually a pest control company, secured a huge contract by using this strategy of not winning. I shall reveal to you in the subsequent videos. So watch out for this Santu Art of War for sales.